or heard of. This toy I am talking about is the bird in the cage illusion. For making this toy, you are going to need two pieces of paper. On one piece you are going to draw the cage, and on the other side, on the other piece you are going to draw the bird. And then you are going to stick these two pages, the cage which should be upside and the bird which should be upside down. And then you are going to put it with the string. Now, what will happen if I spin this? Let us observe. When I spin this continuously, you will feel that the bird is in the cage. Now, why does this happen? Whenever an object is in front of us and is removed out of our sight, the image of that object will stay on our retina for 1/10 of the second. So now, when I am spinning this continuously, the speed is more than 1/10 of the second. And because of that, both the images get merged in our brain. And that is why we get this illusion that the bird is in the cage. And this property is called as persistence of vision. I hope you have understood the concept and enjoyed it. And you are going to try and explain this concept to your friends and family. Thank you so much.